Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Wallet connection error. Rainbow Wallet is a popular Ethereum based crypto wallet that lets you store, send, receive and connect your crypto assets to DeFi apps and NFTs easily. Sometimes you may face a connection error while opening the app or connecting to the app. Do not worry, this is usually easy to fix. First, make sure to check your internet connection. Go to the notification bar. You can try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, or you can also turn on airplane mode on and off. When you open the Rainbow Wallet, you can simply restart the wallet by going back of the background. Close the app completely from the recent app, then reopen it. This refreshes the connection. You can also update to the Rainbow Wallet. Go to the App Store, look out for the Rainbow app, and over here find any of the update and check for the updates. An outdated app often causes the connection issue as well, and if the issue are still blocking you, you can simply uninstall and reinstall the app again, and make sure your recovery phrase is safely backed up before doing this. And that is it. This is how you can fix the Rainbow Wallet connection error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.